Sir, we are the group 2, and we will explain and define what is blind pilotage together with my group mates. First, what is blind pilotage? Blind pilotage means navigation of the ship through restricted waters in low visibility with little or no recourse to the visual observation of objects outside the ship. The principal non-visual aid to navigation that enables this to be done is high-definition warning surface radar, but all available non-visual aids are deployed. The organization to achieve this is called the Blind Pilotage Organization, comprising a BP team led by a BP officer or BPO.
Sir, I'm Midshipman as well. I will discuss what is the assessment of risk involved in a blind pilotage passage. Although normally the quantity of blind pilotage instructs that a ship can be taken to open anchorage and anchored within 50 yards of the desired place. The degrees of risk involved, particularly in restricted water, must be carefully assessed congestion due to other shipping and sequences of a failure of radar or another vital age. Once the ship has been committed to her passage, and the number and quality of fixing mark must be taken into account.
Good day, sir. I am Midshipman Bacongalio of Bsmt 3 Charlie. Position 1, 2, and 3 on the chart and radar display show the ship on track at various instants up to the time that the island is abeam to starboard. Position 4 and 5 show the ships of track to port. The exact distance of track can be measured by dividers from the radar echo of the island to the nearest point of radar. Clearing range are similarly drawn at the maximum or minimum distance from the radar to conspicuous object to keep the ships clear of danger. These are drawn as broken lines. Factors to consider: the degree of risk involved in restricted waters must be carefully assessed prior to entering bridge. Watches may be doubled up and watch level upgraded. Congestion due to the shipping should be considered. Both radars ARPA should be operational. Consequences of failures of radar or other vital aids should be considered a risk. Assessment should be done. The availability of navigational aids which can be used in restricted visibility must be taken into account. Raycons, AIS, voice or station, BTS, etc. Parallel indexing can be used as a powerful tools for positioning, monitoring, and execution of passage. Draw one set of parallel index line ahead of those in issue. Plan the passage so as a steer of a course to pass a given distance of a radar conspicuous points. Alter course of a navigational mark or point of land.
Good day, sir. I am Midshipman Asoy and I will explain to you what is blind pilotage. Navigating the vessel in restricted visibility. The principle of non-visual aids to a navigation is a ship's radar. Other non-visual aids are also employed, e.g. IES, Echo Sounder, ROTI.
I'm Midshipman Macau. I will discuss to you what is parallel index technique. The key of blind pilotage is the principle of the parallel index. The running of parallel index line provides real-time information on the ship's lateral position relative to the planned track. On the chart figure 1, a line is drawn from the edge of rather conspicuous object parallel to the perpendicular distance or close index range from the object to the track is then measured. The range strobe on the radar is then set to the range and solid China graph line drawn on the display parallel to to the planned course on a scale appropriate to the range in use.